Yeah,
Yes.
I mean, it was good. Everything together. I mean, doing everything together for 6 hours from Swagger. I mean, starting from the story and then going to Swagger and then going to Postman,
So you liked it, right?
everything together. Yes, yes. And
Okay,
I
good.
thought we are going to do it again next weekend. That's what I thought. But my sister told me that it's only for them, for
That's for
JAWS,
their automation.
no more
So
of this.
why you want us to, if Pranto does everything else, it will be cheating for the whole all students because all he did it. Why you we our goal is to extend and expand your thought process because the your project will be different, right? There will be automotive project. There will be like the service project. But when you know the approach, thinking process, what you need to consider, how to start it, who you need to ask the question, how to do the review, who you need to work with. Actually, these things are very complex. Go ahead.
Yeah, these are part of the puzzles, and that day we did it for 6 hours,
Correct.
like adding that, adding this all together. It was nice, and
Yes.
I really want to continue that. 1 hour we do like at night from 9 to 10 with Zara. We're
Yeah, yeah,
trying to
yeah.
explore more APIs,
Okay.
but every time there is some problem like this is not working or that is not
Good.
working, and we're still on user. Yes, but I think we should
Exactly. That's the how it works.
continue that.
That's the problem you see. That's exactly the actual work experience. Every time you will be working, you will see some problem is there. And this is sometimes intentional, many times it's not intentional. That's the experience in every project.
Yes, and now we want to update the
And
picture,
that
update the.
this kind of so hold your breath. Let me finish. This type of problem actually create your sprint bad experience. Means the user is not able to or the team is not able to complete the work. That's create the velocity. So now you can explain why the QA cannot finish their work or why the development team cannot finish their work because there is so many dependency. DevOps involved, QA involved, then the developer involved, right? And that's the where all these things impact your sprint. So I'm glad that you are engaged there. I don't know why Faria is not there or the other product owner is not there. And these are the actual the thing. I can tell you the fairy tale story. It will be like the bunch of lie for you. But you experience it. That's the your actual work experience from this journey. This kind of experience exactly the your real journey from your boot camp. So I'm glad you are getting all this experience, a pain, right? And software development is a painful process. Okay, so that's good. Faria, go yourself now. How did you like it? What do you think?
Can you repeat the question again?
How did you like the overall workshop, the 6 hours and everything?
Oh, that I liked it. It was very clear what Pranto went over, and that's why I'm like rewatching it and still taking notes. Yeah, it was very helpful that you did it for this long.
Good. Do you know why it was clear to you or everybody this time?
I
Do you
mean,
know
you just
why?
did it step by step from the beginning.
No, it is because there is a multiple reason. One is when you do the things first time, things goes on your head, means you do not understand. It is human nature, it makes sense. But when you do the second time, it becomes clearer. If you go
It's
third
true
time,
that
you
some of
become
the
the
things I
master.
already knew.
Right.
You just
Things
like
on
who
your
did it
head,
at the
right?
beginning. So yeah,
Exactly. So it means if you guys the workshop we have done so far in each of the workshop, if you like the slowly start revisioning second time, I can tell you the best practices, lesson learned, the struggle, right? And you will see things are way different. The second time you'll be listening and watching them, it will be different for you. And that's the reason we tell you just stick with the workshop, you will see. You'll be learning so many things second time. And if possible, third time, even you'll be master. Okay, I'm glad that you find out it was very helpful, because yes, it was very helpful. And we never done for any team except for this team. And Mahin said he is very happy. Things are very clear. Imran said that, all the QA said the same thing. So that's good. Okay, next one. Fahmi, you go.
Yeah, so the first thing first, the feedback is overall the workshop was great. And as you mentioned that we did it at the beginning of our course and it was not getting into our head, but on the last workshop, it was kind of a recap and like more exploring. So yeah, I mean, it was like, what do you call, we were able to understand it more and, get it into our brain a lot, in a lot of easy way. So yeah, I mean, I would say it was a great workshop. And one thing I liked about it, like, we went from the scratch, like step by step. So it's not like we jumped into something and did it. We went from the scratch step by step,
Yep.
and that's why we were able to understand it more.
Yep, I focus on you guys a lot because again, wholeheartedly, I care nobody. I don't trust no one if someone does not understand the requirement. That's how it works. You see this? I try to over 1.5 hours I took for that. You saw that, right?
Yeah.
And that's the reason. It's for everybody. So being anything you're good at, you want to be, the first of all, you have to understand the scope, the what I'm trying to do. So that goes back to the requirements. So I want to make sure you guys understand the requirements all as very well. And it was good. Okay, I'm glad. And make sure the way Faria is saying she's taking note, please take the notes, the small wording, make sure things goes on your head, make sure things make sense to you. All right, go back.
I would like to make a suggestion about that. So in some
Yes.
parts of the video, your voice was hard to hear it.
Oh,
Like I could turn my
man.
volume to 100 and I couldn't hear you still. It wasn't clear.
Sorry.
Okay, Shivlu, did you get the microphone yet that I showed you?
Did you order? Oh, we ordered, yeah. We ordered no, I ordered the best one. I ordered the $300 one. Yeah, I'm sorry, Faria.
Okay, no, it's fine.
But-
No, it's fine, but you could add transcript.
Oh yeah. See, so why nobody's telling?
You have to have somebody to write the transcript for you.
No. The Zoom does.
I think transcript is automatic if you turn it
Oh,
on.
Zoom does have the automatic transcript. Okay, that's
Yeah,
better.
It
Then.
does.
Everybody
Okay.
has the. I
If you
apologize.
add the transcript, the parts
You
I
are
can't
fine.
hear, I can at least see what you're saying.
Yeah, I'm sorry about that because this sound was very messy. I'm sorry, but again, my sorry. But it's still, if you guys this part I did not understand, I will clarify again because this was the technical part. Yeah, the technical issues, and I'm happy to clarify again. So please, if any area that this part was not I understood, but still I want to clarify more, I'll be happy to continue again. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, yeah, I'm happy to hear that it was helpful. That's good. Okay, so now let's go back to what is the left for Fozia, right? Fozia.
Yes.
And anyway, Fahmi, thank you for going to the out and get the lunch for us. Lunch part was, I'm not good at doing things like
No, it was good, especially the thing, not the Naga biryani. I'm not a big fan of, but the other one.
No, I'm not good at. I have a bad habit. When I start something, if I say an example, I want to go to the Pennsylvania, even I will not go to bathroom. I will start driving. I will not even stop anywhere. I have a bad habit.
You are not good at preparing those kind of stuff, right?
Focus. I have to go there. That's my focus. I do not care anything else. And this is many reasons.
Yeah, regardless of what it takes, you are just going there, right?
Yes, doesn't matter anything else. My focus is this need to be done. So that's the focus is. Is it good? For me, good. Is it bad? For everybody, it's bad.
It was good. We had a great lunch, So.
Yeah. But and learn from this. When you focus on something, forget everything else. No, that's not my scope. I want to get this done. So that's the many people, including me, I get distracted. But I try not to get distracted, get this done any way possible. So I apologize, but you guys need to stop me that time. Hey, stop, we need to have a break. So anyway, we did very good. Okay, Fozia, now you turn.
A long break.
Yeah, I did. Yeah. Fozia, go, now your turn.
Yeah, it was good.